having a retro day. Just dug this out. It's using the RF, and it's shite. The thing is, I've got some dead keys. Hang on, if I go on to, just trying to remember how to do this. So we've got a membrane file. A S D F G H. Sorry, pointed the wrong. This is weird. But I have games. Tell you the truth, most of these, I used to hate that game. Most of these I'm awful. Paperboy was okay. Bomb Jerk. Jesus. Hell, that's one of the originals. I expected to find hieroglyphs on the box. That was terrible. I remember getting stuck in the tunnel. Holy shit. Now that, I actually played that once for about 5 minutes. Speccy Harold? Now that was the one that got me into games where you could design your own stuff. It had a level editor, I think it did, and me and my mate used to design stupid levels, so you'd get dumped off your motor at $1.99 when a game cost that. Boots. Yeah, that was a long time ago. That was a hell of a long time ago. Barbarian. The poster. What was that poor woman's name with the saucepan lids over her boobs? Yeah, Maria Whittaker. And I had a poster with her on. That was a magnificent poster, especially when you're 15. Nope. Nope. Oh God, I hate that. I really. Oh, well, I don't think Jim Bowen. No. Holy Now that is a hell of a. My first computer was second hand. It was a Spectrum 48K rubber key, and I don't even think that did. I don't have a cassette. This at some point. All the paint had bubbled off when I took it apart. The heatsink is attached to the heatsink. There's like a voltage regulator. I think it had come loose at some point, but I'm getting flicker on the corners. I can't remember if that was off the RF or it might have some other problems, because I think it was about 30 quid, and it's been about 4 years ago. It was off eBay. But it's the one I wanted the toast rack one, so because there was a kid up our street called Kevin, and he had one, and oh, so jealous. But yeah, because we had 48Ks and he had this, and there was a game called Where Time Stood Still, and it was 1 to 8 only. But yeah, so I've got to get a keyboard membrane from somewhere. More old games. Combat School, that was awful. Great way to destroy joysticks. Used to get them quick shot ones and turn them into mush, snap the shafts of them. Oh, I hated that as well. Don't remember that one. Don't remember that one. My God, that's old. That was when Massatronic was just starting. Because that is awful. That's it. I think that's a copy of Pac-Man. No, I'm not even going to load that. Oh. And that wasn't bad, actually. That wasn't bad at all. I just